A strong relationship requires choosing to love each other even in those moments when you struggle to like each other. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. A true relationship is two imperfect people refusing to give up on each other. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. In the Arithmetic of Love, 1 + 1 = everything, and 2 - 1 = nothing. Love is not about how many days, months, or years you have been together. It's all about how much you love each other every day. A successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. You don't love someone for their looks, or their clothes, or for their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. A relationship is like a house. When a light bulb burns out, you don't go and buy a new house, you fix the light bulb. The best and most beautiful things in this world cannot be seen or even heard, but must be felt with the heart. The couples that are meant to be are the ones who go through everything that is meant to tear them apart and come out even stronger. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. A true relationship is two unperfect people refusing to give up on each other. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take, the relationships we were afraid to have, and the decisions we waited too long to make. Love is the only gold. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. Love isn't finding a perfect person. It's seeing an imperfect person perfectly. You don't love someone for their looks, or their clothes, or for their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. In all the world, there is no love for you like mine. To find someone who will love you for no reason, and to shower that person with reasons, that is the ultimate happiness. In a sea of people, my eyes will always search for you. A great relationship is about two things. First, appreciating the similarities, and second, respecting the differences. Love is the bridge between two hearts. The best love is the kind that awakens the soul, that makes us reach for more, that plants the fire in our hearts and brings peace to our minds. The couples that are meant to be are the ones who go through everything that is meant to tear them apart and come out even stronger. To love someone is to see a miracle invisible to others. You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. A true relationship is when you can tell each other anything and everything. No secrets and no lies. Love is the master key that opens the gates of happiness.